Hello, welcome to Roarin. In this video we will be learning how to measure distance using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino microcontroller. We will be needing an Arduino Uno board, an ultrasonic sensor, and a breadboard of any size. Make the following connections. Now using your dumping cable, connect the Arduino board to your computer. Make sure your computer has the Arduino IDE software. Below this video, you will find our link to our code base. Or pause the video, take your phone and scan this image. This image will take us to our code base as well. Download the code and open it with our Arduino IDE software. After that, open your system's device manager to check your COM port where Arduino is connected. In this case, the Arduino Uno is connected to our COM8. Now go to Tools, go to Port and change the port where the Arduino is connected. Upload the code to your Arduino. The first time you upload the code, the compiler usually takes some time. Open the serial monitor to check the code. The distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor will be shown in the serial monitor. The baud rate is already set to 9600 by default. Keep a scale to verify if your ultrasonic sensor is measuring the right distance. Let's get roaring. Thank you.